Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2013 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, two-wheel drive. It's only got 161,000 miles on it. This is a California truck, so it has absolutely no rust on it whatsoever. And overall, this is just a really nice truck. All these California trucks are always nice. Bed's in nice shape, cab is. It's not beat up or scratched up or anything. It has an 11-foot Knapheide service bed with a 5,000-pound IMT hydraulic crane. Has hydraulic outriggers. It's got 3 sets of American Eagle slide-out drawers, a VMAC engine-driven air compressor, and a Miller Bobcat 250 welder on it. I think that thing's got around 500 hours on it. Overall, just a really nice setup on a service truck. Let's walk around and take a look at it. It has not been deleted or tuned. It's all stock, has all the emissions on it.
Make you smile. Whether you're building, remodeling, or just ready for a fresh new look, our friendly team is here to help you every step of the way. Stop by today and see why smart shoppers choose Norton's Flooring in Wedowee.
It is manual windows, locks, mirrors. It does have cruise control.
Call us at 256-357-9333.
Walk around and show the truck. We'll come back and work the crane and outriggers. Water tank. Obviously it does a lot more than what I'm showing you. I'm just showing you the basic functions that everything works like it should. Now, winch back up. Here's a wired remote. Hello, Nelly. This thing's full of dirt. Let's leave that open. Plug. Work light. VMAX. It's like 372 hours on that VMAX. Sounds like it needs a pin put on it. Let me push this welding unit in here. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50 a mile to have this truck shipped to you. If you decide to go that route and ship, just know that we're a dispatcher, and what that means is we'll post it on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got that truck in Alabama going to California or New York, Wisconsin, New Jersey, Oklahoma, wherever you're at, we can get it there. I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to roll up in here and load it up, or the exact second they're going to roll up in your driveway and unload it. I can tell you I've been doing this a long time, and on average you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer, and sometimes we get them picked up immediately. I sold the truck yesterday. Guy wired me the money in the morning. He had the truck that afternoon. Granted, he lives in South Carolina and I'm in Alabama, but still, you know, it can happen that quick. Or sometimes it might take 7 days. Sometimes it might take 10 days. You know, like I said, it just depends on where you're located. I mean, keep in mind, you know, if you're somewhere far off, say you are in California, and I get it loaded today, it's still going to take 5 to 6 days for them to get out there. So I can't give you that second by second update, but I can tell you I've been doing it a long time, and on average you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. If you're one of those guys, you got to have that second by second update. The only way to have that would be come pick it up yourself in person, which you are obviously welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends, and if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up with a regular check. I won't be able to see the truck. It has to be certified funds, which is a cashier's check, cash, or wire. We prefer cashier's check or wire transfer. Really prefer wire transfer. It's quicker, it's easy. Don't have to deal with taking a check to the bank. And what's crazy, my bank that I bank with, they've recently closed their drive-thru, so you have to go in to do anything now, which makes absolutely no sense. But can't do anything in a drive-thru, so it's easier just to do a wire. Anyways, we'll work it out, whatever you want to do. Yeah, so give me a call if you're interested in this truck. It's pretty much got everything you need to go to work. Set up, it's a nice truck, no rust, California unit. I mean, relatively low mileage for, you know, a 2013 model truck, 160,000. Like I said, California trucks are always nice trucks, and they keep them up. So, which this company I buy from, they keep everything up. It doesn't matter where it's located. But all right, give me a call if you're interested. I appreciate you watching. Again, this is a 13 F550 two-wheel drive 6.7 power stroke diesel. It's got 161,000 miles on it. Crane, welder, compressor, drawers, everything you want. Give me a call. Thank you for watching.